Hi, so today we're going to be having a look at how to make these little, what we'll call forest creatures. Really just great fun, wonderful for the kids, and as you'll see, they can be made up in 2 or 3 minutes really. And they're just simply using a pine cone, which will be in your kit, along with a little base piece of wood, a couple of feathers, googly eyes, and this is a wee bit of felt that we'll cut out, which will become the backing for the eyes. The eyes are self-adhesive. You will need a wee bit of glue to glue the pine cone down onto the wood, and maybe the feathers as well. But so let's make a wee start. First of all, we'll kick off, and we're going to take the pine cone and the wood, and we're going to glue the two together. Now, wee bit of patience maybe, because the Yoo-hoo glue takes a wee moment or two to go off. A generous dollop on the little piece of wood. I'll get that out of the way so you can see that. And then if you set the pine cone just down onto that, now it can be straight up or angled or lying down, any shape at all. Your imagination is in there, so let's use that. So I just set that one upright like that. And so you'll need to give that 2-3 minutes just to go off. So what we'll do in Blue Peter style, this is one I made earlier. Now I actually used here, this is in your kit as well, this is double-sided foam. And I've used a piece of foam just as an alternative to show you how to glue the cone down onto that. So the next thing then are, again, your imagination. You'll see from, we can use the pipe cleaners for legs to make a spider, creepy, crawly, centipede, whatever. I'm just going to make, I think, a little bird out of this one, similar to the one that was on the table. So the googly eyes are self-adhesive, but let's take a little piece of felt. And if we draw out just a bit of a semicircle on that. Okay, so that's it. And we simply cut that through with a pair of scissors. I'll not guarantee what colour of felt you'll have in your kit, but I'm sure you can swap with somebody if it's not suitable. So that's that. A couple of googly eyes. I say they are self-adhesive, so just pop them out of the plastic and they'll glue on, or stick on I should say. You've got a few, so you can make a few of these. So there we go. That's his eyes. Let's see, best place to set them. We'll turn this around again in a moment so that you can see. But I would say in there it's looking pretty good. So what you would do, again, a little bit of glue or the double-sided foam, and just glue the eyes in there. Okay, looking good so far. I think once they've got the eyes, they can do almost anything. So we'll turn them into a wee birdie, and again, a little bit of Yoo-hoo just down into the pine cone. A good dollop again on either side, and that should be it. And so a little bit of pushing down there, and we'll push that one down into there, and then finally just a wee tail again just around the back somewhere. A good dollop of glue. And watch the glue. It'll go off reasonably quickly, but just try not to get on your hands if you can avoid it. If you do, hot soapy water will bring it off. So there we go, a wee pine cone bird. So enjoy making those, folks.